In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account from a computer. And it's pretty much the same process on a phone as well, so keep that in mind. First thing you want to do is come up to facebook.com. In the top right hand corner, click on your account, go to settings and privacy, then go to settings. Then in the left side, click on account center, take you to a new screen. Then what you're going to do is go to, on the left side, go to your personal details, and then at the bottom here, account ownership and control. From here, they give you two options: memorialization and deactivation / or deletion. Obviously, we're here for deletion. Click on deletion. Click on which account you'd like to delete. And from here, you can either choose to temporarily or permanently delete your account. And from there, click continue and follow the prompts. Thanks for tuning in.